This morning I tried a new recipe. It's a single serve cottage cheese pancake. And then I fried an egg to put on top. Here's the recipe I used. And I'm going to make some tea to go with it. I got a new tea I'm going to try this morning. It's called Feel Better Tea. The Whistling Kettle. And it looks like it has some good stuff in it. And here's what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? We have this pretty tea mug with a little tea strainer that came with it, and it's got a lid. Okay, let's pour the tea in there. Or I should say the hot water. Okay, I got it all full. Have to be careful not to overfill it. And we'll just let it steep. You can see I've enjoyed more of my pancake and egg, but it's been steeping for 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and check it. Only problem is sometimes these lids get kind of hot. It's got a cute design on the inside. So one of the nice things about this mug is that when you lift out the strainer, you can just set it in the top of the mug. It's pretty handy. And here's my tea. It smells really good. Can you smell it? Time to take a sip. You have to let it cool a little bit, but it was pretty tasty. I'll try some more a little bit later. Thought I'd come out here in the sun and enjoy my azalea bush. I've got a lot of blooms. There's my tea. A lot of blooms this year, which is really nice. So the tea is really good. Oh, it looks like I have a visitor. What? You want to go in and visit with the girls? There you go. That's Pigs, or Piggy. It's because he eats a lot. Sophie especially loves Piggy. Oh, he wants some food. He knows where the food is. He's a regular visitor. Ah, kitty love. Okay, I'm out in my backyard. So I can sit down and relax a bit. This is really good tea. I'd say it's fruit forward. It has mango in it, and I think that's the most forward note that I'm getting. Some elderberry maybe too, but it's a really good fruity tea, and it's supposed to help you feel good. So we shall see. I think this tea is a winner. I can't really define the taste very well, but I really like it. So it's going to be one of my regulars probably. It's a really nice summery spring tasting tea. But yeah, this one's really nice. It's kind of light but flavorful. So I recommend. Just as a reminder, this is made by the Whistling Kettle, and it's Feel Better with green tea, echinacea, elderberries, rosehip, mango, goji berries, sage, raspberry pieces, and natural flavors. I'll leave a link below to their website. Postscript. Now it's not the mango that's forward. I think. Maybe the raspberry pieces. As it cools down, the flavor profile changes a little bit. Still very fruit forward. I'm just not figuring out what the flavor actually is, but really, really good. So it's a winner. Thanks again for watching.